Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change or adjust the paper settings on your Brother printer. So if you have different size paper than the one that is currently being set as a default paper dimension size, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. So your view by in the top right to large icons, and then you want to select devices and printers. Select printers and scanners, and then you want to select the Brother printer that you have installed on your computer. Select where it says Printing Preferences. Under the Basic tab, paper size, if you click on the drop down here, you can select any paper sizes on the list as well as user defined. And then once you've made your selection, you will need to select Apply and OK to save the change, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.